Yeah, his, yeah.
Oh, them lights are bright,
Yeah.
boy.
See them, if you put some different bulbs in them, they're gonna blind you, like LEDs or something.
Bro, they're bright anyway, look at that.
They are bright. See when it's turning, they're bright.
Homeless for baddies, caps, jackets, pants. Hard. I need to get my. Look at the state of man. But I like my. I like my
You
muddy.
know the mad thing with yours, bro? Yeah. Yours is got battle. He's been through the battle now. And you know what it is now, bro? I'm seeing 15 fights and stuff, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Escaping,
Since
man.
I've been with this man, what do you expect?
Do you know what it is?
Bad influence.
You know what I'm
That's
doing
a
now?
good influence.
You know what it is? Bro, you know I'm opening the dance studio and all that. Innit?
Yeah.
Told you I done
Yeah.
that. Look, listen, I told you the 808 thing was different, bro. It's the whole
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You
Okay.
understand me? The
Yeah.
whole fucking.
Okay.
the
Camera's rolling.
Come on.
Lift it up.
Gang.
Lift up. That's it.
Jeez. The whole thing, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come
so
on.
That's what I'm saying to you. Like, obviously, like, I've got the dance studio thing. I can't. He says it's not a fail.
Yeah.
It's not a fail, but you know, he goes, let's do it again. So drove forward again. He goes, pull over someone left. This is me. He goes, well done. And I just pulled over again, yeah. And hey, bro, you see when my man told me, yeah, that I passed. Bro, but moonwalks out of the set, bro.
Bro, tell me,
God, safe, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Darling, are you alright?
Yeah, sorry about that.
No worries. Is she alright?
I'm from next door.
Oh, she drunk.
well, you used to go bike stores, yeah, bike stores. Bike stores. Oh, yeah. What, like leaky and then, man?
You saying these don't need better ballies, man. You need these ballies.
What's that? What, like personal brand?
Brother, take a photo of this band right now.
You like something it?
What you? Put your flag. Put your flag on.
Where'd you get?
This is the man, this is the plug right here.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
That's a bad break thing.
Oh, yeah, it's bad bunny still.
This one?
Yeah.
Reflective, innit?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. You see a few bits on there. Yeah, look at the story. Go on. Story.
That's a literally, that's outside, bro. Outside McDonald's.
Yeah, and I go.
Shit's hard.
No, look.
That's like clavish. That was fucking
No,
hard.
switch.
That's a shit
Band
one that
okay.
makes coming for you and shit.
Band okay there and that.
You know the song that makes coming for you? Switch and...
That TikTok.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Band okay and come on, make that song. That's bad.
Yeah,
that's bad.
they just dropped it tonight.
That is bad, that's bad.
We had they had all the baddies in the shoot and that.
Jeez.
Come on.
What? Is there a website?
Yeah, go to the.
You shop?
How much are
You
they?
can see that's the belly. It's they're up for 25, but if you, there's a code and then it's like 20 quid. Yeah. But anyway, just message me. I'll meet you out here if you want them. Yeah. No worries. In a bit.
Imagine.
Go on.
Neutral.
Alright, let me give you
I'm
this.
fresh, bro. I've been in London like 5 years. It's been about a year and a half.
Come on. Care packages for the homeless world.
Come on.
Wave guy.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Let's get it.
Spur me. Go on.
Yeah, take another video.
Yeah, go on.
Is that your gun?
Hey, he don't rate me, you know. I'm holding the care package that everybody else at Homeless World team is getting. I don't get it because I'm 6XL. Well, go on. So now you have to six.
How
Two
many
of these
X?
together.
How many?
Six, my brother. I'm
got you one
6XL,
day.
yeah. So we have to do like
Never
3 of
use
them, stitch them together. So you know, two in 6XL. And I don't even know what the hell this is, but it looks dope though, yeah. Homeless World, gang. That's what we do. Come on.
Come on.
I reckon, yeah. Couple let tell Mike quick, because they're big, bro.
Brother, I'm a
Safe.
fat motherfucker, you know, bro. You need to give me a couple months, bro. What's this thing? What? Hey, no,
Nah, but even the double, bro, trust me, that XL there, they're big, bro.
if you watch this, what do you call it that we got going on? You know that extreme?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That extreme step around.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing all that,
Oh,
yeah?
That's it, the whole thing. I was in there the
Barry's
other night.
boot camp.
Bro, I was doing it the other night, yeah?
All I'm saying is, yeah, you see Big Nasty? Soon he's gonna be Slim Nasty, I'm telling you now.
Serious?
Didn't you see him the other night, bro?
Yeah, he lost bare weight. bro.
Bare
Yeah, I
weight.
did notice that.
You know the
I
worst
did
thing
think
is I
that.
told Tyrone for fucking
Like, if you
years
look-
ago, I said to him,
Bro. Oh yeah, yeah. I know, I was there, bro.